sometimes it's okay to take things one day at a time. And if that's too much, 1 hour at a time. As much time as you need, because not everything goes as easy as planned. But that doesn't mean that you give up. That just means that you start following God's lead and let Him direct you. Okay? Yeah, girl. Just do your best and let God do the rest. I know sometimes it feels like just give up, but girl, you need it and loved. Preach to people. They need that word today. Advice, take it twice.